There is a great possibility that the revised curriculum for the senior high school will be implemented in the school year 2025 to 2026. According to Vice President and Education Secretary Sara Duterte, they are in the process of reviewing the course of study for grades 11 to 12 with the purpose of producing more job-ready graduates.
Ang target pilot natin for the senior high school curriculum is next school year. So that's school year 2025 to 2026 pa. Ang unang-una doon is dahil nasa review pa tayo ng senior high school curriculum, grades 11 and 12, napakahalaga ng input nila doon sa mga skills na gusto nilang makita sa mga senior high school graduates natin, sa mga K-12 graduates natin. Dahil ang intent ang vision ng K-12 program natin ay pagkatapos nila ng basic education ay pwede na silang magtrabaho or employable na sila.
In relation to this, DepEd issued Department Order 003 regarding the gradual return of the old school academic calendar.
As you can see, magiging gradual yung shift ng ating school calendar, no, back to the usual April-May break.
According to DepEd Undersecretary Michael Poa, students' school days will be shortened this school year to gradually return the April to May break.
So ngayon, ang ginawa po natin ay mag-i-end tayo ng May 31, pero mag-start pa rin tayo around July 29. And then slowly, i-move natin siya back until bumalik tayo dun sa normal na April-May break.
POA made sure that this would not affect the children's learning recovery mode because students still have 179 days for this year. Based on the projection of DepEd, by school year 2027 to 2028, classes will be returned to the previous academic calendar.
Well, ang tinitingnan natin around 2026-2027, April na yung last day of class, early April na April 2. So medyo nandun na tayo. But if you want to go to March, I think it will be more school year 27-28.
Yusek Poa added that this is what actually the public wants. So after discussions and thorough planning, the DepEd has decided to start this gradually. Jed Neresina, UNTV News and Rescue. We serve the people, we give glory to God.